Decent penny snapper. Oh, double, whoa. Double penny. What the hell? This top one looks small anyway. Alright. Check the size, probably like, yeah, probably by 30s. I'll let them go. Look bigger. So I took the soft bait there. Still there. Oh, yep, something on the soft bait. Oh shit, double hook up. Oh, let's check the soft bait first. Oh, small. Small. Oh, fell hooked. Right in the eye, damn. How the hell did that happen? Oh, I'll let you go, but damn. Right in the eye. Is there kingfish down there? That's the kingfish. Oh, let's see if I still got this fish. Nope, it's gone. So it wasn't big. Yeah, it wasn't big at all. Another penny. I'm on a 30, 31 mark. Try some fresh colours bait. See how good it'll be. Big chunks. Shake up the belly. Kingfish still down there. On the bottom. I'm getting hits already. So I got a big one. It's kingfish. Alright, got ya. Oh. It's two. One. Got a bit of weight to it. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, something's taking it! Something's taking it! Oh shit! Oh shit! Let's throw the kingfish. Come on, stop! Yeah. Give me some light back. Fuck. kingfish. Was that, huh? Oh, was that a shark or kingfish that grabbed it? A shark. Has to be. What the hell? That is shark. Shark all day. That's a good snapper too. Yeah, that's a shark. Oh well, can't keep it. Shark hard. Still around there, Mr. Kingy. Fuck, that's gotta be a kingy. Can't even stop it. Oh shit, come on. Couldn't even stop it. Fuck. God damn it. Oh, you bloody kingfish. Oh, smoked it. What have I got left? Yep, new rig. Yep, it's gone. I'd rather took that bait. Took a dead bait. Oh, there you go. Good old kingfish, eh? Oh, two kingies there. Oh, one's definitely bigger. Like 80 to a metre. Heaps of good bites. Oh, that's a massive shark. Oh man, what am I supposed to do about that? It just takes my line. If that shark's got my line, it can have it, man. I'm not even interested. Whoa. Fuck, that's a big shark. Yeah. Fuck, you can have the fish, bro. I am out of here.